Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tasya. I'm from State University Makassar, study program Business English Communication, and I will make empek-empek without fish, and I will show you the ingredients. The first is pepper, the second is powdered broth, salt, mashed garlic, tapioca flour. The next step is mix into a container of flour what is seasoning mixture of pepper, garlic, salt, and powdered broth. Now cook 500 ml of water and wait for it to boil then. Immediately, leave and pour into the flour that has been mixed with seasonings. Pour slowly, stir until the mixture is like stirring. Stirring using a wooden spoon because the mixture is hot. After that, it is mixed with tapioca flour, and add eggs. You can eggs if you want. Next, I move the mixture into a smaller container and mix tapioca flour. FYI, wash your hands first. The rest of the dough I had put into the refrigerator. Then cook water using a saucepan and enter the mixture that you have formed. Wait until the mixture rises and uppers on the boiling water. After cooking dough, you can immediately fry the soft chips. Now I will cook. The ingredients are lombok seeds, salt, garlic, brown sugar, and tamarind. After that, pour lombok garlic and salt, and put the seasonings in the pan and add brown sugar and tamarind water. Cook until the brown sugar is liquid. And don't forget to stir until cooked. After cooking, let's stand a few minutes, then strain the vinegar water. Next, you can cut these small pieces. And mix with the vinegar. This is how how to make my version of empek-empek. Hope you guys like it. Thank you for the watching.